morning, sir.
My name is Megan Patty.
Good morning. Good morning, Reed.
And I'm an 11th grade biology teacher at High Tech High Mesa in San Diego.
Good morning, everyone. Today's gonna be an awesome day.
My approach to teaching is we learn by doing.
Let's go.
Science and learning doesn't come from me sitting at the board and then teaching them about the parts of DNA.
Good job, guys.
Those concepts don't come into life until they actually see what's going on and they see the results and they get that spark of like, oh, that makes sense.
Oh, you got it?
DNA sequencing is a new technology, so a lot of the information out there might not have made it into textbooks that are in classrooms. So by bringing scientists, by bringing any of our employees onto school's campus, we can really make sure that students are learning what the latest technology is, what it can do for the world, how can they be involved, and really get them prepared for a career in the future.
Not only am I impacting them, but impacting their families and impacting their future. And if I could be a person in their life that does that, that's really important to me.